that doesn't do anything. So yeah, anywho, I'm just sort of jumping around in my rabbit suit. I didn't really plan anything. So, you know, I think something fun we could do today is the night shift. I just walked by my boys in there. Is the night shift. We could probably do that. It would be fun as a... Except, you know, I could probably die with, Foxy. Maybe not today. Maybe in, like, part 3. Yeah, that's a good idea. Part 3, guys. That's when I'll make the video of me doing the night shift. It'll be a pretty cool video, I hope. My God, these cameras look so horrible, man. Look at this area. There's like 4 cameras there just to see the animatronic. This area, you can literally see a camera. Oh, wait. Oh. Whoa. Oh, it's this camera. Then you can see the other camera as well. Then you can see the camera that sort of looks into there where you can see my funny rabbit suit. Then the kitchen, you can literally see everything at this point. We got our little hallway area that goes sort of over there. Dang, these cameras just suck. Oh hey, look at that, it's me. You know, we got our corner cam as well, just in case. We got our back room cam, we got that cam. We have cameras everywhere in this room. Look at that, you can see the little baby puss. Our paper pals are there as well. Yeah. This place, in case you can't hear me, basically in the last video, I keep saying this place is doing pretty good. Also, for some funny reason, where the screen recorder like timer is, it says we're at like 10 minutes and like 8 seconds. It doesn't show me the amount of money I have. So the only way I can see it is right there, 2,853. Well, now it changed, I believe. Let's check. Yeah, it changed. Oh wait, couldn't I technically also see it here? No. Yeah, that's a problem. I can't even see how much money I have in this game at this point. Wait, I have to check if I still have the door. Confirm on. Oh. Okay, good, I still have it. I think it's just really funny how I'm just not allowed to see how much money I have anymore. Oh yeah, there's a fun little thing with the golden poster. You can change it from the original to this one. And like old Gmod ragdoll version of Golden Freddy. Withered Golden Freddy. And then we got Golden Freddy jump scaring you. Ooh, scary. I'm kidding. There's like a few posters you can actually change, like this one. Obviously, you can change this one. This is the original. You get that, tell me in the comments what you want me to change that into. We got Darko, that one, and that one. We got 8-Bit Ryan. Then we got this. So it brings up that. Pretty cool. Now go on. My God, it takes so long for this place to close, and my waiters are doing so amazing to the point where I can't even grab the kids before they give them pizza. How many waiters do I have right now? Swear to God. 3. Make it 4. I want more waiters. I want to get as much money as possible and as much customer satisfaction. Dang, we have 20 like animatronic right now. That's amazing. I'm doing good. hate how kids always come into my office in this. It's very annoying. But yeah. Oh shoot. Yeah. Part 3, I'll do the night shift. Mainly because I don't even know if I'm allowed to finish this video right now, man.